Cult Moo! On today's episode, we have a beer full of guys with things. Phantom Bride. By the Deftones. By Belching Beaver. Is that like an album or a song?
It's like a... Yeah, it's either the name of their new album or it's a single off of their new album.
Well, cool. It's an India Pale Ale coming in at 7.1% ABV. From Belching Beaver, which is a really awesome brewery out there in wherever they're from. I forget.
California.
Beer view. Bitches, don't judge me. I got a cold. Fuck you. Cheers. Yep. Tastes like an India Pale Ale. Very strong hops. A little roasty at the end, almost like eating crackers or something. Very light malts, but mostly just hops, like that cat pee kind of hop, you know, like juniper or elderberry. Nothing to write home about. It's like 5. It's kind of basic. But you know what? When you think about it, that's kind of what the Deftones are like too, right? Like, he's got that droning voice, and you're just like, it's alright, I guess, but I could be listening to anything else right now. But wait, before we go, I got a couple of extra guests on this episode, because these were there when we bought it. This special beer review where we eat some chips too, because why not? Boulder Canyon got some pumpkin chips, pumpkin pie or something, and then we got turkey and gravy, just in time for Halloween and Thanksgiving. Smells very lightly of pumpkin. Tastes very, very sweet. Very little spice flavor. It almost tastes like it's been glazed in like the Cinnabon frosting, but in a very light way. Also kind of plain. Also tastes like the Deftones. And we got this guy. People are going to be like, why do you hate the Deftones so much? Oh, there's a tear thing on here.
There's that one guy that's been asking us if we've ever heard of the Deftones is going to just be fucking destroyed.
These don't smell good at all. I don't think turkey bouillon is a thing, but that's what these taste like. Sort of halfway between chicken and beef bouillon. With just a little sprinkle of the oriental ramen flavoring. So, super salty, but a little bit better than pumpkin pie. I give these like 5, and the pumpkin one's like a 4. Overall, a very disappointing episode. Much like listening to the Deftones.
Yeah, I guess the lead singer, Chino, he picked all the hops to put in this. It's supposed to be a West Coast IPA.
He's bad. He's a bad person.
Yeah, this doesn't even smell good to get. At least some of them, they have a nice sharpness to them, but this is...
Yeah. It's like I always prefer a little bit of floral, at least at like the slightest hint of floral, but there's nothing floral about it. It's all...
Yeah, this is like if you were to just...
Skunky.
Fucking shove a thing of fir needles up your nose.
Yeah.
Alright. There's a lot less flavor in there than what I was expecting. Still not good. You suck, Chino.
Follow it up with some pumpkin pie chips, as you do.
Oh. Why are they so sweet?
I don't know. Don't they taste like they have like a sugar glaze on them?
I think these taste a lot like pumpkin pie, though.
Yeah, with the whipped cream on it, actually.
Yeah. Okay, those are strangely what they say they are, but that's still not a good flavor on a chip. Turkeys and gravies, huh? Oh, let's get the big guy there. Notice a lot of the flavored chips, it's like they just look like the standard like sour cream and onion chips for the most part. That tastes like if you eat the overdone parts on like a deep fried turkey. Like the really, really overdone skin like in between the wings and shit. And it does have like that weird kind of bouillon flavor there at the end. Those ones aren't good. Pumpkin pie ones are strange. I actually like those ones. So, okay, beer, 3, pumpkin pie chips, 5? And then turkey gravy chips. 3.
Alright, beer review. If you guys have tried the Deftones beer, let us know why you would want to drink it. Belching Beaver, I expected better from you. But I don't blame you. I don't blame you.
It's not their fault.
You're just in on the licensing deal. You're looking for some money. Alright, beer review, Vlog Moo! Thanks for watching!